Hello everyone. Welcome to the video that explains the online classroom expectations for your Roosevelt Warm Springs class. Your instructions are to preview this presentation, take the quiz in the module. At the end of the quiz, you're going to verify that you understand your responsibilities related to the online classroom expectations. Please keep in mind that classroom expectations are a part of school, just like policies are a part of the workplace. In fact, your classroom expectations will be assessed as part of your work ethics. You will receive a grade for your work ethics, just like you receive a grade for your assignments. So let's talk about what you are expected to do in this class. Roosevelt students are expected to be willing to communicate and learn online. So you are taking a distance learning course and you are expected to communicate with the teacher and with fellow students and be ready to learn new things through the online platform. This requires some engagement on your part. You have to be active in the class. Roosevelt students are expected to be self-starters and use time wisely. Being a self-starter means that you get started without someone else having to tell you to get started. You take initiative. You do things without having to be asked to do so. You will not have someone standing over your shoulder in this course. You definitely have a lot of support. You have a lot of resources, but it's up to you to get things started. Also, use your time wisely. If you have an entire week to do an assignment, don't wait until the end of the week and rush to get it done. Take time throughout the week, regimen yourself, have a routine. Successful students have a weekly routine that allows them to accomplish work over the period of the week, not at the last minute. Roosevelt students work independently with general support by not having someone else do it for you. You will be expected to perform the tasks that you're given. You'll receive accommodations and supports as needed. However, ultimately, you are responsible for completing the task that you've been assigned. Roosevelt students put in the needed time to watch videos or read the text, independently or using online reading tools. In these courses, you will have videos to watch. You need to take the time to watch them. You will have things you need to read. You will need to take the time to read it. Also, if you have the accommodation of having things read out loud, you need to use the screen reader that was explained in the assistive technology resource videos from earlier. The screen reader will read things out loud to you and provide you with the read aloud accommodation that you were provided in school. Roosevelt students are active participants in online class discussions and activities. Actively participating means that you respond to other people, that you type your thoughts out, that you're respectful, you give ideas, you think about ideas, you give input into activities. Those are all going to be expectations. This means that if you have a class discussion and you don't follow the instructions and you don't interact with the other students the way that you are expected to do, then you will not receive full credit for that assignment. Again, be an active participant. Roosevelt students are expected to check communications frequently. Class messages in Google Classroom and emails. In Google Classroom, there is a discussion function that will be used numerous times by your instructor or teacher. You should go to that assignment and you should participate in those discussions communicating with others. Also, you should have an active Gmail account. Your Gmail account is going to be how you log into Google Classroom, how you get into your Google Drive, and also how you interact with your instructor if you have a question outside of class. Roosevelt students are expected to get all assignments in on time. So if an assignment is due by 12 o'clock on Sunday, you are expected to get it in by 12 o'clock on Sunday. You must take the time earlier in the week to complete the task. Do not wait until Sunday morning and rush through it and not have time to complete it, because that is an inefficient use of your time. You should start things early. You should regiment your time and get your assignments turned in on time. Roosevelt students are expected to discuss any concerns and questions with the course through the instructor first. That means that whenever you have any kind of issue that you are struggling with, whenever you need extra help, you need extra explanations, you will get all those things and more, but you have to talk to your course instructor first. Again, if you have any concerns or questions, talk to your course instructor first. So these are the 8 things that are expected of Roosevelt students in the Google Classroom courses. Be willing to communicate and learn online. Be a self-starter and use time wisely. Work independently with general support, but not having someone else do it for you. Put in the needed time to watch videos and read the text independently or using online reading tools. Actively participate in online class discussions and activities. Check communications frequently, class messages and emails. Get all assignments in on time, and discuss any concerns or questions with the course instructor first. Now, it's your turn to show what you've learned by taking the quiz. You can take the quiz as many times as you need to get the grade that you prefer. You can also preview this video and use it as an open note test. You can also refer to the resources in this module. There is a printout of the 8 things that are expected of you. Thank you so much, and have a great day.